Hello everyone, my name is Gurudutt. I am from grade 3C. Today I am going to tell a speech about World Rivers Day. World Rivers Day, celebrated on September 24th, is a global event dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of rivers and their conservation. It encourages people to engage in activities like river cleaning, educational programs, riverbank restoration projects, and river rewinding. Let's see the significance of the river in Indian civilization as well as global civilization. Rivers were important in India for a number of reasons, including water supply, fertile land, transportation, development of cities, and trade. The Indus River and the Ganges River were especially important to ancient civilization. The Indus River ran through what is now Pakistan and into the Indian Ocean. The ancient cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were built along the Indus River. The Ganges River flows through northern India and into the Bay of Bengal. After the civilization collapsed, new cities were built along the Ganges River. The first civilization formed on water. Its the main objective to save water.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.